What's up guys, it's Marissa from Krietz Customs coming at you with a build overview. This is a 2020 Ford F-150 and if you're ready to build yours, this is the perfect build for you. This is a 6-inch rough country suspension system. We did add the strut spacers on there and then we did go ahead and put the premium N3 struts in the back. Now if you guys want a little bit more of a lift kit that's gonna go a little bit more off-road, you guys can upgrade those upgrade the strut spacers to lifted struts that rough country does offer, or you can upgrade them to the Vertex coilovers for a more off-road appeal, as well as upgrading those rear shocks to the V2 monotubes. Now coming down here to your wheel and tire package, this is going to be an Asanti off-road wheel. This is going to be the Cleaver in a gloss black and machined face finish. Now this one has different sizes. This one specifically is going to be a 22x12 with a -44 offset. So it does push that wheel and tire package out about 4 inches. Now this wheel does come in a 20x10, 20x12, 22x10, and a 22x12. So you guys have some different options and it does come in your different bolt patterns as well. Your tire is going to be a Nitto Ridge Grappler, a 35, 12, 50, 22. This is going to be that hybrid tire, so it's going to be great for on-road and off-road performance, and it's going to be nice and quiet on the road while giving that nice aggressive appeal. If you want a little bit less of an aggressive look for your F-150, Nitto does offer the Trail Grappler G2, and if you want more of an aggressive look, they do have the Trail Grappler, which is their mud tire. Now, if you guys like this build and you're ready to build your F-150 and you don't know where to start, you guys can click the link in the description below.